Okay, hey boos, so let's get started on this tutorial. I was going back and forth on what kind of look I should do for my NYX entry, but I just figured let me just do what I do best, you know? Full product details will be listed on my IG and down below so that you guys can see what I used. We're gonna pack this on into our crease and just basically build up that color because I want it to be vibrant. And I'm gonna take a lighter green and just go right above that dark green to further blend out, and I'm doing the same thing by patting it over the edges for concentration of green, and then tapping off that excess and just going in with the brush and blending out the crease, like the edges of that dark green. Sometimes when you apply shadows on top of a color that you've already applied on a base, it likes to leave like a harsh line. So again, I just find patting down that color first and then going in blending after helps to avoid that harsh line. Now, the way that I like to make my brow bone highlighter and crease color like fade and blend even nicer, is I take my face powder and I blend in between the two colors and just basically fade them in, and it just blends everything really nicely together. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of black shadow. I'm using the same brush that I used to apply the green, the dark green, and I am just adding a bit of black to that brush, and then I'm just popping some black to mix with the green just to add some depth to it. I'm gonna start off by basically stamping across, if that makes sense. So instead of just doing like a straight line, I'm gonna stamp out where I want my lid color and glitter and everything to go. Full like foiled green shadow all over my lid. Dark navy blue, and pop that on my lower lash line on top of the base. I applied the base already off cam. I'm gonna take the blending brush on this side and just not add anything and just fade out the edges of the blue. So my liquid liner. So now I'm going to take my glitter concoction and apply it all over. While the glue on my lashes are getting tacky, I'm going to do my lips now. Just lining it with my go-to brown liner. Apply a peachy lipstick. And a peachy gloss on top. So I mean, the look is pretty much done, but I just want to take some of the base that I was using, and it's a pretty light base, and I just want to create some like light dots. Does that make sense? I'm just mixing I'm forming my own kind of like liner basically, which is, so I think I should do it